underpower video demonstration of a Nexturn model SA-32E CNC Swiss. The mist collector on it. There's a chip conveyor. We'll walk around and see that. And it has a Fanuc Series 18i TV. Parts catcher, parts conveyor. Then there's the bar feed is a Spigo Gatling style Z-Zorb. Model 12410 bar feed. There's the MP systems, high pressure coolant system. MP systems, high pressure coolant. Very, very quiet machine. Here's the inside of the work envelope. Trying to get all the tools before they get oil covering them again. Sub spindle. About ready to kick it off. We're looking at it from the back end of the machine. Let's do a complete walk around. It does have a fire suppression system on it. As I said, mist buster, and it's got the fire trace, fire suppression, and an LNS turbo hinge belt, chip conveyor.